Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Explorer Active. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle's powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Active Comfort Package. Taking a look at the back, here we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails, with mud flaps on the rear. We do get a nice side view camera with a lovely keyless entry keypad, if I can get it to, there you go. And moving to the front, we do get a remote start on this vehicle with license plate bracket and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come equipped with a power liftgate, which you can open on the key fob, the button up there, or button by the driver's side, which provides you tons of back space. More storage underneath. To collapse your last row, you just pull on this lever and it will go down automatically. Hooks and doodads, all that jazz. Got a 12-volt light. Cup holders and storage for the back passengers, two USB-Cs, as well as on that side. And to lift it up, you just pull it up, and your seat will be in place. To close, all you have to do, hit that button right there, and it will go down automatically for you. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice light crystal leather interior with some cloth accents. Plenty of door space in the back with the leathering on the door. Floor mats, got a step to the back, and you lift this up. Move your seat forward for the access to your back two passengers. We do get our own climate controls, USB-Cs, 12-volt, and 2 cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, liftgate, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 34 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone voice, media, playback, play forward, and volume, mute, all that jazz, cruise control, digital speedometer with my view, trip and fuel, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio and phone. We got our gear select, parking brake, and drive modes, cup holders, and storage with outlets. Your center console with tons of more storage with a 12-volt down there. Got more storage above. Volume, auto stop, auto start, park assist, which is your park chimes, hazards, and your backup camera, hazards and auto hold. Storage below. We got our features for our powered sunshade for your fixed panoramic roof. We got a nice big infotainment system that is going to be powered by Google. Dual climate up front, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, navigation, audio, phones, and personal profiles. For your audio, you get AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all that fun. Add a phone. You got your vehicle settings here, such as your hill descent, brightness, valet mode, all that jazz. And you can fiddle around with the vehicle like that and open your liftgate. And all your apps will show up in here with your Apple CarPlay, Google Maps, Play Store, YouTube News, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is GB38459, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.